This is the picture of my husband, Flight Lieutenant Syed Safi Mustafa. He got a Sitara Jurrat and because he was killed in 71 war. We had a great time. I just can't imagine. 1.5 years I stayed with him, just a half a year. But when I joined university, it must have been hardly 6 months. I was going to have Zain, my son. So all I used to do was prepare everything from the library, and the rest of the work I gave it to my husband to do. So my homework was done by him. He used to do in a standby hut. Before they could fly, they have those huts, they go underground, because he had a promise from my mother. I was not pushed. I still think he's alive, because I was 19 when he was killed and he was 23. And he was in the Air Force and he was sent to Bangladesh and it was missing, believed, killed. So I still feel he may come. After he was missing, believed, killed, I got 2 boys from up north coming to me and asking me for funds. I had no idea why they came to me for money. Then I realized my husband on the quiet was supporting these children as sponsoring them to various schools who were very poor. I've dedicated this place wholly to him so that I can fulfill his dream one day. Later I received the last letter from that he was taken into custody in the jail. He tried to run away and he kept writing many letters to his seniors that, you know, all my airmen have been killed, do help me. And he was oblivious of his surroundings, because the letters that I got from the cell, the last letter was 16th of April, a very fine letter thanking his seniors to put him in the cell, not realizing that man was put in the cell not for the reason of saving his life, but otherwise. I think I was working for 32 years and I've just given up my work last year, because now my whole concentration and my passion is now to help these people. Heard this in June. It was the time of my convocation. I had a very heavy heart, because he always said I will go in my uniform, and you know, because it was he was due for it, because he had given me all his work. But then it was unfortunate that he was not there and I didn't want to go. But my mother at that time, and she gave me the strength, no, your chapter is closed, you have to show your strength, do attend your convocation, you have a child to look after, and so my life started from beyond. We have an informal activity day. A lot of people come to teach us and help us and support us. I run on a sponsorship basis. Did you see that this is what I like? Can you hang a bulb inside it?
No,
Priyari, can you hang a bulb? Of course you can. Actually, adopting a child for 10,200 rupees a year, I could have never done this alone. I run by volunteer system. My Mariam and Almas, they're very close to me. There's Zubaida Mazhar, who is just a fundraiser for me, because I'm running within the family. On the 3rd floor, we have the vocational school. Yusuf, my carpenter, they have made this. We want to sell it and open the garage school, vocational school items. Now I've started the teachers training program. And that is held twice a month, not only for my teachers, but for schools around my area. We together can promote better education. This is our bank. So this is our bathroom, which is not used, but this is our bank now. A very rich bathroom. I just dream of grounds, that finally I should have a space where I could build a school. It would be a community, family-oriented school. A school where I'll provide education, I'll provide vocational skills, I'll have an old home. Out of the money they bring in the morning to eat rubbish, that money we are saving it, and today we are going to take them to the bank. Even a hostel for people, doctors, dispensary, utility store, total record of all our students. Children are just taking the piggy bank. Have you ever seen a gymnasium for poor people in this country? No. Get these people to release their frustration. Get a library. I have brainwashed them. In case they save this money, they can buy bicycles, they can buy anything they wish to do. You will get them out of street violence. You will get them out of gutkas. You will get them out of drugs. if you channel them to better frame of mind. That is my dreams. This is all too many dreams I have. Although this is my daytime dreams, I don't dream at night. Soumya is the one जिसकी वजह से we started the school. बड़ी-बड़ी लड़कियां ladies बन गई हैं. She wants to be an air hostess, and I'll make sure she's an air hostess. ये मेरी वालदा हैं. Today I am because of her. पूरा घर मेरे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. वो आते हैं जाते हैं, बर्थडेज जब इनकी होती है नीचे वाले, बस दस्तरखान लग गया, बच्चे बैठ के हम लोग खा लेते हैं. Out, and I've had lot of struggle in my life. Everything that I do, I never get on a silver platter. My husband was awarded Sitare-Jurrat, and you won't believe it. It was given to him posthumously in 1972. I did not get the land till 1994. Don't give up. That's part of my system now. Son, ये सब काम मेरे बेटे का है. He is an architect, but basically he's an artist. That was him when he was 14 years old. Kitchen has been made by him. My mother's food is going to be ready. He says, Ammi, I have nothing to talk about but food. He keeps telling me constantly, Ammi, do not leave them like Eliza Doolittle. You have them to take them up to a point that they must get jobs. Sports, music and food and going out. Toto. घूमना क्या? If I felt sad, कपड़े अच्छे पहन के जाके खाना खा के आ जाओ कहीं से. 3 to 5 I go to the gym. Now it's a challenge to see all my children are settled. I keep telling the children there's not a no in my dictionary. You have to learn to do everything. And that is how things come to me as challenges.